Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to begin the update right away. First, confirm your version and help about so you know if update is needed. Save open files and disable heavy extensions to avoid conflicts. Once done, confirm you have at least 1 GB free and a stable network connection. Then open Command Palette and type Check for Updates, or click the gear menu and select Check for Updates. That triggers the installer. Make sure to follow prompts and watch progress messages so you know exactly what changed. Once the installer downloads, choose whether to install immediately or save the package. Install and restart is fastest. While VS Code restarts, check Extensions view for outdated add-ons, update critical ones first, and stagger updates if you rely on specific versions. Also verify settings sync status so your keyboard shortcuts, snippets, and themes return after restart. If you use a package manager or enterprise distribution, make sure to follow their install channel. Otherwise, after restart, check Help About to confirm the new version and run a quick build or test to ensure environment stability. If an extension misbehaves, reinstall it from Extensions or Disable and re-enable to force a reload. Make sure Settings Sync reapplies your preferences. If things go wrong, launch VS Code with Code Disable Extensions to isolate the issue and open Help Toggle Developer Tools to inspect error logs. If needed, revert to a previously saved settings backup and reinstall specific components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.